Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to add a signature in Google Docs. So maybe you've got a document and you want to add a signature to it. This is how you do it. So under the section where you want to add the signature, you're going to make sure your cursor is there. Then we're going to click on Insert. And then we're going to go down to where it says Drawing and click on the plus new icon. From there, we're going to click on the line icon, click down, and then click on Scribble. So now you can use your mouse or trackpad to create your signature. So I'm going to try and do mine. Okay, see how this comes out. It's not perfect, but sort of like my signature. So I'm going to save and close, and then that will add it to the document. Once it's on the document, you can edit it. So you can make it like bigger or smaller by dragging and dropping it. So if you want it a little bit smaller, which looks a bit more professional, it's easy to do. And then you just have to save the document. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.